Hi guys, hello. How is everyone out there today? We are driving to go and park somewhere here in Calgary. Calgary. We are going to ride train today. Okay, so we are going to park somewhere here in northeast because parking in downtown is it's okay, but it's a little expensive. And sometimes parking is not easy here in downtown Calgary, so might as well just go by train and it's more easier, right honey? That's how people do a lot, like they park and they go and park their car in a mall and they go downtown if they have an appointment in downtown Calgary. That's what we're going to do today because we are going to the city hall. So we're looking for a parking here. We're gonna park here guys and we are going that way. We're gonna catch the train. Right honey? When people heard about Franklin Station here in Calgary, they scared. I'm not scared. Okay. It's a little windy today. My goodness. We're going to buy our own ticket here. The
next 69th Street train is arriving. Please stand behind the yellow line.
That's the price, guys. Thank you. Quickly, honey. Uh-oh. It's already gone. So we need to wait for the next train. Intan ada deh. Standing up, guys.
Station. Doors normally open on the left.
I don't know, depende ah. Apa ya? Pertaka mo na ni tagrusta tongek. Pertakam kay din ni awani ni pertak. Hurry up, hurry. So we are going guys to the city hall. We're going this way, people. This is the city hall here in Calgary. People are coming here for people if you're applying for your business permit, something like that, you have to come and apply here. Oh yeah, my husband said if you are applying for a business here in Calgary and if you're applying for a business permit, this is the place where you can go, okay?
Building permit.
Yeah, I just said
Business permit.
building permit and what else? Land, everything they do it here, guys, okay? Tagpagamot. Ay, dagiti jikwa. Jikotikwa. Oh my gosh. Municipal building. Yeah. Oh, this is so big. Huge building. Oh boy. Building. Gasam nga ate ni. Ada pag naan dito eh. Awan. Ay, awan. Tagaro.
We just wait
For a week, honey. I mean, are we gonna run?
no, it's different.
Oh,
The next one is the
how do you know?
I saw it.
Well, duh.
So kanta ko ba nakaabot na pa eh sa adultang nga materi.
Tungik, kung ano mga haan. Di urahin taman another 5 minutes.
Tan.
Awanin close.
This train is set right.
Apa magar?
Medyo yung lutong bako.
Okay, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you again for my next video. God bless everyone.